I'm starting with 4 ramekins. Place them in a baking dish and set them aside. In a bowl, add 3 large egg yolks, 60 grams of granulated sugar, and 75 grams of pumpkin puree. Add 1 teaspoon vanilla extract, 1/2 teaspoon pumpkin pie spice, and a pinch of salt. Whisk everything together until smooth and creamy. Now in a small saucepan, heat 1½ cups of whipping cream or heavy cream on low to medium heat. Don't let it boil, we just want it warm, with tiny bubbles forming. Slowly pour the warm cream into the egg mixture while whisking constantly. Keep mixing until everything is fully combined and glossy. Ladle the custard into the ramekins, filling them almost to the top. Place the ramekins in the baking tray. Carefully pour hot boiling water into the tray until it reaches halfway up the sides of the ramekins. Bake at 325 degrees Fahrenheit for 28 to 30 minutes. The edges should be set and the center should still jiggle slightly. Remove the tray from the oven and carefully pour out the water. Let the custards cool to room temperature, then cover and refrigerate for at least 2 hours or overnight. When you're ready to serve, take the ramekins out of the fridge about an hour beforehand. Sprinkle 2 teaspoons of sugar evenly on top of each custard. Now comes the fun part. Using a kitchen torch, caramelize the sugar until it's golden and crisp. Listen to that crackle, it's the sound of perfection. Let the sugar harden for a moment before digging in. And there you have it, a smooth, creamy pumpkin custard with a perfect crunchy caramel top. Every bite is cozy, indulgent, and absolutely fall-worthy. If you try this recipe, I'd love to hear from you. Say hi in the comments to mark your presence and let me know where you're watching from. Take care and happy baking.